ka-science or agham! So, welcome sa ating bagong video lesson. Pero bago tayo mag-umpisa, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe sa aming YouTube channel na Science o Agham. And don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga bago naming videos. So, for today's topic, ang pag-uusapan natin ay tungkol sa kinetic energy. Specifically, kinetic energy computation and problem solving. Pero bago yun, ano nga ba ang kinetic energy? Kinetic energy is what we call energy in motion or energy of the moving object. So for today's topic, mag-focus tayo sa computation or problem solving involving kinetic energy. So in mathematical equation, kinetic energy or KE is equal to 1/2 mv squared. Ano bang ibig sabihin ng KE na yan? Sometimes it is written as EK o tinatawag siyang KE or kinetic energy. And then, ano naman yung M? M is what we call the mass, which has the unit kilogram. And V is for velocity or speed with the unit meter per second. And by the way, for kinetic energy, ang unit niya ay Newton meter or joule. Ulitin natin, ang formula para makuha ang value ng kinetic energy ay kinetic energy is equal to 1/2 mass times velocity squared. Ulitin natin, 1/2 mass velocity squared. So now, let's go to a sample problem. But bago yun, papakita ko muna sa inyo yung mga formulas na pwede niyong gamitin to compute sa ibang problems involving kinetic energy. So first, for kinetic energy is equal to 1/2 mv squared. For velocity is equal to square root 2 times kinetic energy divided by mass. And for mass is equal to 2 times kinetic energy divided by velocity squared. So let's have a sample problem. Determine the kinetic energy of 1,000 kilogram roller coaster car that is moving with a speed of 20.0 meter per second. So, sa problem na to, ang mga given ay ang mga sumusunod. Mass, which is 1,000 kilogram. Velocity, which is equal to 20.0 meter per second. Sa problem na to, ang kailangan nating isolve or ang kailangan nating i-compute ay ang KE or ang kinetic energy. Ang equation na gagamitin natin or formula para makuha natin ang value ng kinetic energy ay KE or kinetic energy is equal to 1/2 mass times velocity squared. And for the solution, ang gagawin lang natin is substitute natin yung values ng mass at ng velocity. So we have KE is equal to 1/2 times 1,000 times 20.0 meter per second squared. So, paano ba natin gagawin yung computation na to? So, una sa lahat, i-follow natin yung MDAS. So, since meron tayong square dito, so, ang ibig sabihin niyan, 20 squared. So, kung meron kayong scientific calculator, may makikita kayong superscript na 2, yun yung pipindutin nyo, 20, then yung superscript na 2. But if you're only using an ordinary calculator or magmamanual lang kayo, all you need to do is to simply multiply itself 20 times 20. So the answer will be 400, then distributive property, yung squared, i-distribute natin kay meter, tsaka dun kay second. So magkakaroon tayo ng kinetic energy is equal to 1/2 kilogram times 400 meter squared per second squared. So now naman, i-multiply nyo naman si 400 kay 1,000. So 400 times 1,000, that is equivalent to 400,000 kilogram meter squared per second squared. And then, Multiply 400,000 by 1, that's the same, then divide it by 2. The answer will be kinetic energy is equal to 200,000 joules or Newton meter. But we will just be using the joules. Okay? Ulitin natin para makuha natin ang value ng kinetic energy. I-substitute yung mga values using the correct formula. Then, i-square yung value ng 20. You get 400. Then, 400 times 1,000. Then, kahit diretsong divide nyo na siya sa 2, kasi kapag minultiply nyo yung 400,000 sa 1, you will be getting the same answer. So, you can simply divide 400,000 sa 2, and you will get kinetic energy is equal to 200,000 joules. Alright, so let's have our next problem. A car with a mass of 700 kg is moving with a speed of 20 meter per second. Calculate the kinetic energy of the car. So, sa problem na to, ang mga given ay ang mga sumusunod. Ulitin ko lang, kapag mag-solve tayo ng problem, always follow GRESA, which means given, required, equation, solution, and answer. So, sa problem na to, ang given ay mass, which is 700 kg, velocity or speed, which is 20 meter per second. Required, or what we need to solve, is the KE, or kinetic energy. And for us to get the value of kinetic energy, the equation na gagamitin natin ay KE, or kinetic energy, is equal to 1/2 times mass velocity squared. Now, let us substitute the values for the solution. So, we have kinetic energy is equal to 1/2 700 kg na mass times velocity, which is 20 meters per second, then squared. So, ang unang natin gagawin for the solution, let's get the value of 20 squared, or just simply 20 times 20. So, the answer will be 400. So, ang gagawin natin, isa-isa natin siyang gagawin, process by process, huwag natin siyang madaliin. Ganun naman kasi talaga dapat eh. Yung mga bagay-bagay, dapat hindi minamadali. Okay? So, since nakuha na natin yung 400 meters squared per second squared, i-multiply na natin yung 400 kay 700. So, ang makakuha nating value, you can use your calculator. Pwede rin namang mano-mano. Pwede rin calculator ng cellphone mo, kung saan ka komportable. So, we get 280,000 kilogram meter squared per second squared. So, now, ito na yung solution. KE is equal to 1/2 280,000 kilogram meter squared per second squared. You will just need to simply divide 280,000 divided by 2. Ulitin natin. 280,000 divided by 2. Use your calculator. And the answer will be kinetic energy is equal to 140,000 joules. Napakadali, diba? So, ayun lang yung gagawin nyo. All you need to do is to follow the video process kung paano natin yung kinompute ang kinetic energy. If you have any question, just feel free to comment down below. Okay? Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment sa aming YouTube channel, Science or Agham. And don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated kayo sa aming videos. Bye! See you next video!